In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app in HubSpot and connect it to the HubSpot API using Power Automate. This process will enable you to automate tasks and streamline workflows, facilitating integration between HubSpot and other applications you might be using. First, let's head over to the HubSpot homepage, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. This is where we'll begin setting up everything we need for our private app. Once you're on the homepage, you should see a login button. Go ahead and click that. You'll need to log into your HubSpot account to proceed. Make sure you have your username and password handy or any login credentials required. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home interface. From here, direct your attention to the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this will take you into the settings menu where we can configure various aspects of your HubSpot account. Within the settings menu, look for the integrations option. This section is designed to help you connect and configure various integrations and external applications that work with HubSpot. Click on it and it will take you to a new page focused solely on integrations. Next, in the integrations section, you'll find a tab or link labeled Private Apps. Click on this option as it's our destination for creating a private app. HubSpot private apps are versatile as they allow you to leverage HubSpot's API in ways that suit your specific business needs, often going beyond what the standard marketplace integrations offer. With that done, you'll now be on the private apps page. Here you'll find the Create a Private App button. Clicking this initiates the process of setting up a new private app. Each private app will have its own API key and permissions. These are important for establishing a secure connection between your HubSpot account and the external systems you plan to use, such as Power Automate in this instance. As you create your private app, pay careful attention to the permissions you're setting. This ensures the app can access the specific data it needs without overreaching, maintaining security and privacy within your HubSpot account. Once you've configured these settings, confirm your selections, and your app will be ready to connect to Power Automate. In conclusion, by following these simple steps, you've successfully created a private app in HubSpot, opening up a realm of possibilities for integration and automation with Power Automate. This setup empowers you to streamline workflows and enhance how you leverage data across platforms, making your processes more efficient and connected. Don't forget to explore further customization options within HubSpot and Power Automate to fine-tune your automated workflows. Thank you for watching and happy automating.